Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. We have some rollers available for rent or purchase here. A couple of pneumatic rollers too. Got a little bit of every size available. 50-inch, 66-inch smooth. Another pneumatic. 66-inch pad foot. Another one. Got 3 66-inch pad foots. And then we got the big hoss 84-inch pad foot. These babies are for rent or for sale here at Star Tractor. Give us a call at 817-733-3799. Again, 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.